Welcome to Child Development 92 Adult Supervision. I am Angela Fantuzzi. I will be your instructor for this online course. First time offered at Los Medanos College. This is a little brief introduction so you get to know me. I am from Chile. I came here about 20 years ago. And I would have to say that one of the hardest things was to get situated and learn about a new culture and how people see things and appreciate them with the same love that I appreciated my culture, which I was used to. Being able to accept changes was very hard, and I've become very open about them nowadays. So that makes me somebody that want to hear your story, want to be with you. Through this course, we're going to learn how to become better mentors. I also wanted to give you a little quick feedback on certain things that I don't want you to make a mistake with. We're going to be using two textbooks. The first one is Coaching with Powerful Interactions, a beautiful text with a lot of videos and clips that we can use about how to become better mentors. And the second one is the Environmental Rating Scale. There is four in the market, and you only need one. Most centers or places that you work at, they probably already have one. So try to look to see if your director or your coworkers have it before you buy it. There is four kinds, one for infant toddlers. So if you work in a preschool for infant toddlers, you would get the infant toddler rating scale, or the early childhood rating scale for children that are about 3 to 5 years old. Then if you work in an after school or in a school program, you would use the school age environmental rating scale. And if you work in a family daycare, you would use the family daycare environmental rating scale. So you only have to choose one and it will be upon where you work. If you don't have a job right now, you're going to have to choose a place to observe. So depend on their age is which one you would get. If you need any help before I go, I want to make sure that if you ever need any help, you can always reach me. You can locate me at at my office phone, or you can email me, or you can come by the Child Study Center at Los Medanos and reach out for me. I'm always there Monday through Friday. Okay, hope we have a great start and see you soon.